any advice for someone while they're building out their 3,000 square foot commercial building into a laundromat?
I've never built, I've only bought. I'm not a guy that like measures twice and cuts once either. So I should probably be asking that question. I shouldn't be answering it. I don't know. Have fun, realize you're going to make a mistake. No matter what you're doing, you're probably going to make mistakes. So be flexible with yourself and just keep going.
Yeah, I would say, we're still learning a ton as we go, and especially as the world around us is changing. Equipment costs are up 30+%, construction costs are up 32% year over year the last 2 years compared to 0.5% annually for the prior 50 years. So it's just things are changing pretty rapidly and quickly in the world that we're in. And so I think as you're making these decisions and you're looking at things, like be really mindful and disciplined about, what your budget is, what you can spend. Can you find, I don't want to say shortcuts, but ways to be more thoughtful. Check out all the free resources that are out there, or even some of the paid resources out there with the different YouTube channels and Jordan's resources himself. There's a lot of mistakes that you can avoid by talking to people that have been there, done that, and have had the mistakes for you or on your behalf. So don't be afraid to pay some of that premium to get the education that'll save you tens of thousands of dollars later, literally. So check out the resources, ask the people that have been there and done it, and make sure to just be aware again of costs. That's where I think things can really get away from you.
I've never once said like I wish I had more machines. I've always said I wish I had more space. So take that for what it is. I've never built, so I don't know. I think Alex nailed the answer there. But careful not to just fill up everything with washers and dryers. That space is equally valuable.
Great advice. And I was going to mention the space thing too, because the space is something that I hear all the time, especially if you're going to have a service side of your business, is have enough space. And so awesome input there.